This is a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche. Its top features and packages include a sunroof, a power driver's seat, a rear window defroster, keyless entry, a premium sound system, a CD player, a low tire pressure indicator, an anti-lock braking system, and it's easy to see why this vehicle is an excellent choice. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive. Vandergriff Chevrolet, the Metroplex's volume leader, is located at 1200 Interstate 20 West, Arlington, Texas, just across from the Parks Mall in South Arlington.